everyone. Thank you for being part of this training, and I'm sure you are learning something new. Today we're going to be creating something very amazing, how to fly an airplane, and this same procedure is applied to flying drones. So if you want to create drones, this is the same procedure. All we need to add to this is just a device. Just buy a device, connect it to M-Block, and the same code that we're going to use for this will be replicant on the drone. So let me just play this and you will see how it is. So when I play, okay, it moves, flies up to the sky, up to the sky, then it comes back to its base and back. Okay, so that is the game. So we are going to be designing this. Although this one is supposed to go back to the airport to park. I think there's an issue on that, so we can change that. Just change the background back to the normal one. Okay, so let's go back now, and then we are going to practice this. Okay, so let me go back to where the codes are. So these are the codes we are going to be using for this sprite to move. So let me just open a new page, a new document. So I'm not saving this. Let me just open new one. Okay, so I'm removing this guy now. So move to sprite and then remove this panda. Click on it and then delete. Okay, now we are going to get a new sprite. Now let's go for transportation. Under transportation, select airplane. Can I select? Let me just select this. Let me select this. Okay, so I'll click on OK. Okay, so we have it there now. So we need to change the background. Let me drag this to this side. Okay, drag it here. Okay, so I'll click on background and then click on the plus sign to add a new background. So I'll click on that and let me look for something that I need to do with outdoor. Okay, let me select nature. Okay, so let me select this. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, so we have this now as our backdrop. Then we click on costume because we have to have another backdrop, so we want to add another one to it. So click on costume, it brings you here. So go down here and click, just click here. Okay, so for us to add extra backdrop. So this time around, let me go back to nature. Okay, let me select this forest and click OK. Now we have two backdrops. We have the one here and the one here. We have one here, so let me remove this. Okay, so we have this one here and this one here. So those are the two we are going to be using. You can use more than that if you like. So let me go back now. So let me go back now to the sprite. This is where the codes will be. So make sure that you select this. Okay, and right now where our airplane is minus 49 by minus 155. Minus 49 by minus 155. Okay, so we're going to be using this position in creating our game. So let's start now by putting our codes. The first thing we need to do is to go to events, select when flag click, drag it out. Okay, and then go to motion and then select go point in direction. No, before point in direction, let's say glide. This glide, we have two glides, so we are not using glide 1 second to random position. We are using glide 1 second to X position and Y position. So you drag that out. Okay, so this is the position where the plane is right now. That is the resting place. That's where it is right now. So we need to now begin to code them. So we now say point in direction. So the next thing is point direction. So I will look for point direction. This is point direction. I also drag that out and change